Spelling of the word environment. environment, ment, ment, environment. Okay, now look at the syllable in it. It has actually 4 syllables. Okay, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Look at the syllable. In, en, then vi, run, ron, ment. 1, 2, 3, 4 syllable. Look at the syllable environment. Okay, let me help your memory. Notice in the middle, look, in the middle we have iron, I-R-O-N, iron, right? Notice the iron is inside the word. N-V, environment. This iron, that is in the spelling of environment, we have iron, right? Or say it slowly, environment. Ment is easy to remember than run, R-O-N-V, N-V, right? Envy, environment, like this. Environment. I hope this type of things has helped you to memorize this word clearly.